Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid layout in Elementor. First, begin by adding a new container to your page. This container will serve as the foundation for your grid. Next, navigate to the layout settings of your container and choose its direction, either horizontal as a row or vertical as a column. This initial step is crucial for defining how your elements will arrange themselves. You can then start populating your grid with various widgets, ensuring a structured and responsive design. Once your container is set, it is time to configure the individual items within your grid. You can easily distribute items, ensuring they take up equal or custom amounts of space. Adjust their width and height using percentages, pixels, or other units for precise control. Furthermore, Elementor provides intuitive gap settings, allowing you to define the exact amount of space, perhaps 20 pixels, between your rows and columns. This ensures a clean, organized appearance for all your content. After entering the debit and credit details, it's crucial to add a clear narration. This brief description explains the purpose of the transaction, providing vital context for future reference. Take a moment to review all the entered information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, press Enter to accept the voucher and save your journal entry into the system. Mastering Elementor's grid layout opens up a world of design possibilities. You can effortlessly create complex layouts, such as stunning image galleries with 3 columns or professional portfolio sections that showcase your work beautifully. Design dynamic content sections, ensuring consistent spacing and alignment across all elements, which is vital for a polished look. Ultimately, using the grid effectively will significantly optimize your website's visual flow and enhance the overall user experience, making your site both functional and aesthetically pleasing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.